Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can execute HTML codes in Visual Studio Code. First of all, you have to open your browser. If you don't have Visual Studio Code installed, you type in Visual Studio Code and click. You check the first link, it's where you click. In the right corner, it will give you a download option. You click download. Now you have to come and select in the operating system you want to install for. You have Windows, Debian, Ubuntu, that's Linux, Mac operating system. You select the operating system you use. For us, we're going to use Windows. Click in Windows. If you're using Windows 7, there's some supported versions of Visual Studio Code. You find one, you check for Windows 7, and by the latest version only supports 8, 10 and 11. After clicking download, it will give you a download notification here. You wait for the download to complete. After completing, you go to your disk, you check in the downloads and install Visual Studio Code. Mine is already installed, so I'll just type Visual Studio Code. I open it. When it opens, the first thing we will do is we need extensions that will support Visual Studio Code. The extensions we need CodeRunner, and you type here CodeRunner. It's CodeRunner, sorry. CodeRunner, you click this one, .CodeRunner. You click in it, it will show you install. Sorry. CodeRunner. It's here. Mine is already installed, but if it isn't installed in your Visual Studio Code, you click the install button to install. The extension we need is HTML. It's HTML CSS Support. HTML CSS Support is this one. It will come on the top. You click on it. Mine is already installed, but if it isn't installed, it will show you here the install, and you click on it to download and install. Now we've got the extensions we need to use. Let's try to make a simple program in HTML using Visual Studio Code. You come here to files, you click files. We're making a new file. We can make it as a folder in case you made a folder on your desktop, but we're just making a new file. So you click new file. We'll give it a name. You can give it any name you want as long as it has an extension .html. Let me use mine as index.html. You press enter. You come here for a new file, you name it index.html. You press enter. I have one file for index. Let me say index2.html. You press enter. Now it's going to open this file here. Now what we do, first we have to tell Visual Studio Code that the codes we're giving you are codes for HTML. How do we do it? You declare the document type, that's HTML. Then you press enter or open the head tag. The head tag, this is like what we'll get in the search bar of our web page. What will appear there? we'll open the head. In the head tag, that's where we're putting our title, so that when you open on the web browser, it can give you whether my name, that my first website at the top. So you open the title tag, here we'll put my first website. First website. After here, now we'll go to the body tag. The body tag, that's where we're going to put the content we want to appear on our web page. Click body, close it, and press enter. Now in the body tag, let me say we want to have an heading on our page which says that my website. Will come and make the heading. Make the heading my first website. Using HTML. Now remember, for this you have to save. You will say save. After saving it, now try the code. You can press here. Try the code. You can press here. It's showing that code language not supported. Why? Because we need an extension here called open in web browser. Open in web browser. It's here. Now open in web browser, this enables you to open your code that the moment you press it, it just opens directly to your default browser. It's installing. We'll give it some time as it installs. Now it's installed. You come back to file, auto save this on. You come here to our code. Now code, save file. You open it in default web browser. Now let's see what we've done. It's opening. It's here, our first website. Let me close these other ones. Now this is what we've made. That this is the heading we've made, my first website. And when you click here, actually this won't be so much displayed, that it's left. Now it's showing how we're heading my first website. Now in case you want to add this something, let me say you want to put there a paragraph. Let me say I want to put a paragraph that made by IT guy. Then I'll come. Remember, I already have autosave. What I'll do, I'll just come back here to my browser. Or I just click this file and say open in default browser. Now it will come. I have the heading plus the paragraph I put there. Thank you guys for your time. Follow me to see how we can add effects, colors, backgrounds, and more to make our websites look more better than this, because we can't use HTML alone to make a stunning website. We need CSS, we need JavaScript. Like and follow. You subscribe for the next video on how we can add in CSS to our website to make it more attractive to the user. Thank you.